Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Erica, also known as Spiritual Stylist on YouTube. And today we are going to be installing this beautiful hair from WIGGINS hair. If you would like to see how I got this look, keep watching. So I'm starting off with my wig cap already glued down. If you'd like to see how I do that, I'll link a previous video of mine above. So jumping right in, I'm going to go ahead and go into my foundation shade and apply a little bit of that onto my hand. I typically do my foundation before I glue my wig down. I don't have a clue why I did it differently this time, but I like to do my foundation before just because the glue will stick and it'll change the color of that wig cap. I don't know how other people be doing it, but this is just from my experience. So next thing I like to do is toss that wig onto my head to kind of see how the lace is looking. Basically eyeball it to see if I need to pluck more hair or if I like the hairline of the wig, and this just allows me to see what that hairline is going to look like. Then I comb the hair out and get ready to apply that foundation. So I just apply that foundation onto the wig cap, and as you can see, it is leaving the spot patches of makeup. Next I'm going to take a powder foundation. This is also my foundation shade. It's just in powder form, and I apply that to the inside of the wig as well as the outside lace circumference of the wig where my hairline will be. It is a very important key for my installs to apply the powder foundation around the hairline of my head, just so that it looks more natural when I apply the actual wig. And then I'm gonna go ahead and cut off any excess of that wig cap. I go ahead and go into a alcohol cotton ball wipe and just wipe off any excess. Then I'm gonna go into my wig glue. For glue, I'm using the Hair by Erica lace glue. So before I get to gluing that wig down, I really again just like to make sure the hairline looks nice on me and I can see where each piece will lay. And then I go ahead and start applying my small dots of glue onto the hairline of where I'm going to lay my lace down, and then I'm going to spread that out in even layers. So the video is sped up, but I do each section of my forehead evenly 3 times. I let it dry. I did blow dry it, but I think I am going to stop blow drying my hair or the glue whenever I do my install, because I recently learned that it doesn't need to be blow dried because it's going to be glued down, if that makes sense. And it actually apparently takes away from the gluing process when you blow dry the glue. So I don't know, we'll see my next install. I'm gonna try that out and see how it goes, but for this one we went ahead and blow dried it down and it worked fine for me. So again, I just did 3 layers of each section of my hair. Make sure that glue is dried down clear before I apply my second or third layer. So I went ahead and just let that glue dry down for a good 20 minutes before removing the wig band. And this is the results of the glue just by itself, and OMG, I am like in love with how good this lace looks. So I went ahead and went into my hot comb just really quickly. I went back in later in the video, but just to get those flyaways down so that I can go ahead and go into my spray. I went into my wig dealer melting spray, and I just sprayed that along the line of my lace, and this is going to give me that extra melt to get those hairs laying down and that lace melted. Then I just blow dry that product on cool just to get that to melt, and the instructions do say to blow dry this on cool. I went ahead and just took my elastic band again and just let my hair sit underneath so that the lace would melt some more as I begin to style my hair. So I go ahead and start shaping out my parts and combing through the hair for styling it. The purpose of this is to lay down any flyaways that stick up and to make your hair flat. And so I just apply that around my hairline and around my part, so that the hair would be going in the direction of the parts and there are no flyaways. I will say one thing about this wig. I am gonna give my review on it, so don't worry, that it's coming. But this hair had literally no flyaways. A lot of times when you get wigs from specific companies, you'll get flyaways, and it's really annoying. But one thing about this hair, the roots of the hair wasn't short. Some companies will send hair that has very short root ends, if that makes sense, and a lot of times it'll be in the actual lace front, so the hairline, depending on which area you part your hair, will have short hair flyaways. So this is the result of the Wig Diller lace spray plus some plus the plucking. I did need to pluck. I probably should have plucked a little bit more from my side part, but I didn't. Okay guys, I just had to pop on here because this lace is like slayed to the gods right now. If you guys could see this lace in person. Okay, this side, which I'm kind of mad because this is the side where I'm doing my side part, so this is the side that needed to look the best, but clearly I didn't bleach my knots all the way on this side, especially like right here. But we're gonna fix that. What I'm going to do to fix that is I'm just gonna pluck a little bit, if I can find my tweezers. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pluck a little bit. Next, I'm going to just clip all of this hair back. Oh, let me go back to my voiceover. All right, I'll be back, y'all. Popping back in to my little voiceover. Now that lace is pretty much laid, like I said, to the gods, we're gonna go ahead and cut that hairline. I started with scissors, and then I felt like the scissors wasn't really getting the lace as much as it could have been, so I went back and forth between scissors and between a razor. At this point, if I walked out of the house with my hair looking like this, I would be crazy. But we're gonna fix that. We're gonna get back to it. I'm gonna go ahead and start styling the hair. I'm combing it. Went ahead and just went back into that powder foundation that I originally used on my hairline in the beginning. I didn't use liquid foundation. You can use liquid, even though I wouldn't suggest it, just because you have a higher chance of getting like makeup on the actual hair, which is fine. You'll just have to use like alcohol or makeup remover or whatever to get it off, but just for a quicker cleanup, I just used powder. And then I went into my Nairobi mousse, and I started to shape the baby hairs. I also curled the baby hairs before I cut them too. I didn't want to forget to mention that. I curled them. Take your time when you're doing baby hairs. Again, I always say this, baby hairs take a little bit of a while to master, and I'm still getting it at this point. But I like the baby hairs that I did. Again, I wanted it to look natural, so I just did super natural baby hairs, and this is the final look for this install. It looks super natural. It really looks like this hair could be coming out of my scalp, and I like it. But let me know what you guys think, because your opinion matters to me. So let me know what y'all think in the comments below. What could I have done differently? What could I have done better? Let me know. Don't be having me out here and going outside, y'all. Tell me. All right, y'all, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel and click on that notification bell to be notified, and click on that notification bell to be notified every time I post a video, and stay updated with your girl. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you enjoyed this install, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.